Hi there, do you have a large family and you're looking for a 4-bedroom home to rent? Well, this is a great opportunity for you to check out. Let me show you the inside. First, this is a double car garage. It's located on a court, so there is no traffic except for the people who live here. And now let me show you the inside for you to see all the features that this home has. Let's look inside. As you can see, hardwood floor, so it's really nice. French doors to the living room. Okay, it looks very classy. And from here, you can see the dining area. So it's very open. Look at how nice the flooring is. Is the kitchen, and from the kitchen you have access to the backyard as well as from the family room. It's a very large backyard. If you have kids, they are gonna love this option. Now let's take a look at the bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. It's very large, and also it has its own washroom. It's a full washroom ensuite, and then you have a nice size walk-in closet. Okay, you have plenty of room for all your stuff. From here you can go to the other bedrooms. And number 3 and number 4. This one can be used as an office. That's how they were using it before, and it has an additional full bathroom. Let's now see the lower levels. Here you have a family room with a fireplace, so you can gather here. And from here you have access to the backyard. They have what they call a patio table, and so you can throw a party here and everybody's going to enjoy it. And here is an additional washroom, and you have also a side entrance, and here is the access to the garage, the double car garage. Look at the size of the garage. So, and everything is going to be empty here, and some of the furniture can stay if you need it. And here we have the basement. Here you can have your guests coming over, and you can use the gym equipment. So you have your own gym, and the place comes with a house. And from here you can go to the laundry area, where you also have a workshop area. If you have any project that you want to work on, here you can do that. Well, come and check it out, and feel free to book a private showing for you.